How to change the aspect ratio of the photo you want on Midjourney. I will be showing you guys how you guys can do that in this video. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now the first thing is you have to play around with the setting first on Midjourney. So let me show you what you have to do. Once you're on Midjourney, you want to give this command /SETT. Once you see settings over here, just click on it. This is the command you want to give, /settings, to open the settings on Midjourney. Enter, and the settings command will open up like this. Now from this, make sure you're on the MJ version 3. Make sure MJ version 3 is on green color. Once you do that, where it says remix mode, make sure it's turned on. Make sure it's on green color as well. Green means it's turned on. All right, once you do that, choose the photo which you want. So let's say I want this photo which I generated, and I want to create this in 16:9 aspect ratio because I want to upload it as a YouTube thumbnail. And YouTube thumbnails aspect ratio is 16:9. So what I can do is I can click on U1. So let's say I want to create a 16:9 ratio of this. So I'm going to choose U1 because it's the first pick. So I'm going to click U1. Once I do that, it's going to show up at the bottom. So let's wait for some time until it generates it. Now once the image is generated, you can see this option called make variation. You want to click on make variation. Now this thing will open up. Now from this thing, scroll all the way down, and where it says V3, you want to delete V3. And so the current aspect ratio is 3:2. So you want to remove that and change it into 9:18 because that's the aspect ratio I want. I'm going to click on submit, and then it's going to generate this image again with the aspect ratio of 9:18, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's how you guys can change the aspect ratio of the image you want in Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Now let's wait for some time until this pops up. As you guys can see, it has been changed into 9:18 aspect ratio. It's as simple as that. So hope you understand. See you guys next time.